Welcome everyone. So in today's session we are going to look at how to download and install Cisco Packet Tracer. Okay, so actually we are going to look at two ways to do that. So the first one is to download the software directly from Cisco website. So open a browser. So I am using Firefox and type Cisco Packet Tracer download. And the first link you will see is from netacad.com. So netacad.com is Cisco's MOOC website. So Net Academy. So click the link. So the web page will be displayed like this. So before doing anything, you have to go to login and click on the login menu option. So if you already have a Cisco account, that is fine. Otherwise, you can scroll down and you can see here there is sign up link. So click the sign up link. So you can enter your email, enter your password, your first name, last name, and you can select your country and then click on register. So when you enter all the details and click on register, you will receive a verification email to the email you have specified here. Okay, so you have to open the email and you have to click the verification link or button so that your account will be activated. So that is the first step. So come back. Okay. Now again go to the previous web page, which is this. So you can click on view courses. So here it is saying that the courses are this course or all the courses have been moved to another website called Skills for All. Okay, so click the Skills for All link. It will open skillsforall.com. So this is also the Cisco website. They have just moved all the courses to this website recently. So here you will see Cisco Packet Tracer and all the courses that are available. So scroll down and you can see the first course which is saying getting started with Cisco Packet Tracer. So I recommend all of you to actually enroll for this course and also these two courses. So as you can see, all these courses are free. Okay. Uh, so click on this first course, getting started with Cisco Packet Tracer, and click on get started. So now it is saying log into your account. So you have different ways here. So first one is using your Google account, or previously we have already created a Cisco account, right? So for that you can click this one, Cisco Networking Academy. So I clicked that. So I will enter my details. Okay, now it will ask for password. Mm, okay, and click on login or hit enter. Okay, so now I am successfully registered for the course. So you can see here the button has changed to resume course. And okay, you can click on resume course. Okay, so the very first thing you will see here is download and use Cisco Packet Tracer. So the content will be loaded on the right hand side. So it will take a little bit of time. So here you can see the loading symbol. Download and use Cisco Packet Tracer. Okay, so I am clicking on install Cisco packet tracer. Okay, you have to scroll down. So that is the video and some welcome text. Mm, and if you scroll down a little bit, now you can see download Cisco packet tracer, and here is the link. Okay, so click this link, resources lab downloads, and now you can download the software. So here are the links. So under learning resources, you will see the links for downloading for your OS. So here there are three versions. One is for Windows Ubuntu, and another one is for Mac OS. Okay. So in my tutorials, I will be using Windows 8.1. So I have to download this one, 8.2.0, Windows 64-bit. So once you click this link, the download will start, and you will get the required software. Okay, fine. So that is the first way for downloading the software, and the second way is, so let me go back to Google and again type Cisco packet tracer download. So we have previously clicked the first link. Now you can see the second link, which is related to packettracernetwork.com. This is not related to Cisco, but this is another website. You can click this link. So here, uh, see the links again for Cisco Packet Tracer 8.2, which we have just seen in the skillsforall.com website. So here are the same links. Windows 64-bit, you have 32-bit version also, and you want. Okay, and along with that, why I am showing you this website is, you have one more version here, Cisco Packet Tracer 7.2.2. Okay, so in my tutorials, I will be using this version. This is a old version than the 8.2. Uh, so here also you have Windows 64-bit, 32-bit, and you have for Ubuntu, and you have for Mac OS. Okay, so you can download 8.2 also. There is no problem. So all the things that I will do in my tutorials will work in 8.2 also, right? Okay. So once you click these links, any of these links, it will ask you to enter Cisco username and password, which you have already completed it previously. So you just enter your user, email, and password, and click submit. Then the software will start downloading. Okay, fine. So once you download, you will get these files like this. Okay. So in my system, I have Cisco Packet Tracer 8.2 for Ubuntu, 8.2 for Windows, and 7.2.2 for Ubuntu, and 7.2.2 Windows 64-bit and 32-bit. So first of all, I will show you how to install Packet Tracer 7.2.2 for Windows. Okay, 64-bit for Windows 64-bit OS. So the OS I am using in my laptop is Windows 8.1. So double click the setup file. So installation is very easy, straightforward. Click on run. Click on I accept the agreement. Next. So you can change the location if you want. So I am removing C drive and giving F drive. Okay. Next. Next. So you can create the icons if you want. I don't want this, so I am just going with desktop shortcut. Next. Install. Okay, so the installation will take maybe 1 minute, approximately 1 minute. Okay, the installation is complete. You can ignore this message and click on OK. Now you can launch the Cisco packet tracer, but I am removing it. I will launch it manually and click on finish. Okay, so here is the here is the Cisco packet tracer shortcut. Okay, now you can double click the icon to open the software. So this is the splash screen for Cisco packet tracer. Okay, so the first immediate screen you will see is netacad.com login. So that is why I asked you to create the login in the beginning, right? So you enter the email and you click next. It will ask for password. You will enter the password and click submit. And once you enter the email and password, you will see the interface. So I am not going to enter the email and password. So instead, I am clicking on guest login. Okay, so when I click on guest login, it will take me to this page. So ignore this and again come back. Now you can see some numbers: 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Confirm guest. So click on confirm guest. Now here is the interface of Cisco packet tracer. So what's the difference between user login and guest login is in when you are logged in as a user, you can save different scenarios uh, unlimited times. Okay, so there is no limit on number of times you can save the packet tracer files. Okay, so whereas if you see in guest mode has limitation of 3 times. So you can save the files only 3 times. So to remove those limitations, you can go for user login. Okay, so anyway, if you don't want to save the files and just want to practice all the things, then no need to create any account. Okay, guest login will suffice. So that is based on your choice. Anyway, this is Cisco Packet Tracer 7.2.2. So you can go to Help menu and click on About, and here at the bottom you can see the version 7.2.2. So let's close it. Okay. So I am just going to rename this shortcut to 7.2.2. So I want to install the second version and the latest version, which is 8.2. Now I am double clicking this. So the process is same. Run. I accept the agreement. Next. Uh, Changing the location from C drive to F drive. Next. Next. Create desktop shortcut. Next. Install. So again, this will also take 1 minute. Okay, still installing. So it will take a little bit more time than the previous version, but not too much of time. Right, it's almost complete. Okay, so it is taking more than 1 minute of time. Okay, it's done. So I am removing launch, finish. So now you can see there is one more shortcut which is just created. So this is for 8.2. So just double click the icon. uh, you will see a splash screen. So it's saying, would you like to run multi-user? No. Okay, so this is the splash screen of 8.2 version. So you can see it has changed. Uh, View access. So this is from Windows Firewall. So just click on allow access. Okay, now you can see the login screen is changed for the 8.2 version. Now it is showing Cisco Networking Academy, or choose Cisco Skills for All login. So I am going for Cisco Skills for All. So it will go for the web page. Okay. Since I have already given my username and password previously, it has logged in and it has shown the message. You have successfully logged in to Cisco Packet Tracer. And yeah, here is the message. You have successfully logged into Cisco Packet Tracer. You may close this tab. Okay. And this is the interface of Cisco 8.2. So again, you can verify by going to Help menu and clicking on About. So here you can see the version 8.2.x. Okay, so that's it for this session, guys. So you have seen how to download and install two versions of Cisco Packet Tracer. Thank you.